Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into three powerful array methods in JavaScript: map, filter, and reduce. These methods are essential for any JavaScript developers. And by the end of this video, you will see how they can simplify your code and make it more readable. So let's get started. First up, we have a map method. The map method creates a new array by applying a function to each element of the original array. This is especially useful when you need to transform data. Let's jump into it. I'll create a new array called doubled. In this example, we have an array of numbers and we use the map method to create new array where each number is doubled. Simple, right? Next, let's talk about the filter method. The filter method creates a new array with all the elements that pass the test implemented by the provided function. This is great for when you need to filter out certain elements based on a condition. Let's look at the example. We already have an array numbers array, so let's plug the even numbers. Here we have the same array of numbers, but this time we use filter to create a new array with only even numbers. Very handy. Lastly, we have the reduce method. This one is a bit more complex but extremely powerful. The reduce method executes a reducer function on each element of the array, resulting in a single output value. Let's jump into the code. In this example, we use reduce to sum up all the numbers in the array. The accumulator holds the running total and the current value is the current element being processed. By the end of the loop, accumulator contains the total sum. And there you have it, the map, filter and reduce methods in JavaScript. These methods can make your code more efficient and easier to read. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.